my friend. We did together before, but now when I'm out there, you are thinking don't cause you don't kill me. I've been there calling you my they do me so. I've been there calling you.
My baby, what's up?
Man, come and take me away from here. To see this miserable thing. How dare you sticking bitch?
Do you know each other?
And I will deal with you, idiot. Look, if you talk, idiot.
I've been there calling you my friend. They do me so. They talk. Now every road make you a guy you want. Sweetie, sweetie, I did.
It will be good for your health.
Of course I do.
My sister, do you know the deep root that whenever I talk about that, same here. This is serious, Bumi. You used to realize this is fortune. Dawn and Sly are so we can give them our merchandise and go to sleep. You have a time. Girl, this is no time for wish. They have to work on them.
In our own style. But get first thing.
Who gave you this address? Tell that lady about me. Don't please get out of this place. I repeat. Tell that lady about me. You know I'm not foolish and wicked as you, though. You know I don't. Please get out of my office. If I see you here in the I need to listen to this song. Sly. You're still tempting me, dog. Please get out of here. Sly, I did not come here just to get. I came here to find out what you told Madam Bumi's friend. And to say that happened between us. Looks like a mistake. that brought us to this city on earth. And it will be silly if we continue on that. I am just very sorry. Oh, come on, Don. What are you up to? Our parents must have been so. We need to come together and work as one. That's what I'm here. Okay? We were best of friends before. I mean, for Christ's sake. Because I'm just sorry, okay?
I've been calling you. So today top now every one block make you a guy oh God sweetie sweetie oh no why you gone there why before but now we don't talk to you are a killer you don't kill me oh I've been there calling you my friend oh me so
Slide.
We are friends again.
Come. Oh my God. Now you.
The fact is that I don't know where to start. It's a long story. I don't know.
Please do that. Go over there and get champagne.
Okay. Go. See. This lady's business proposal. To think how it could better our lives. It's a dangerous and illegal business. What if we get caught? But they said they will take care of us if this down. Okay, let me tell you. In Germany or in this country. Totally. Bros. It is better to go to jail in abroad. You don't know that.
Okay. Listen to betray as a passing through the screen. The computer only sounds if you are nervous. Not even to carry if you act cool. Tell them you're going back to your parents. With your grandparents here in Nigeria. Okay. Frankfurt Airport.
Oh, there's no problem with that.
I trust you won't. At the end of every trip, 20% proceeds. If you're
The merchandise are carefully put in the inner linings of your jackets. Open and bring out the drugs. And how to discharge of them. Okay? Also, because you know, we'll pick you up from the airport. Good. You are not to taste anything. You discharge that which you have inside. Good. Body cut. Leaving. Don't want to slide.
Yes, madam. Yes, we have. Yes, you just left here now. Yes, $200,000. Okay, hold on. Yes. Everything is okay. Hey, he's charging our hotel room. No problem. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Is it now? Yes. I'm beginning to be homesick. I can't wait to get see who? No, Mama. Don't mention anything that has to do with that name. I've forgotten. Dikeh is the genesis of all. Of course, that's the reason I must groove her. Man, I must groove her. This one may be village level again. Forget back to Nigeria to prove for and complete. No problem. I think let that be the capital. You think? Why? Nah. We have really beaten our expectations in the past 3 years. This is and now it's like magic. But it's very risky. That's our overall objective when we start. You see, we agreed to get into this business because we're people that we can never be broken up. To our parents now, send money to anybody. You have a point here. How do you suggest we start? You see, both of when we left the village, so we have to reconcile. People, we envy them. That's the thing. You're right. You know, money has that when we rumble, people in this town must hear our voices. Can't say that again. Of course. And we have to send money to Chima, at least to buy them cars. You see the impact. Boy. Oh boy, forget that guy. What? I trust him. What? We'll do the job. That's what I'm not using. I'm just so many other things. That's the idea. Just anything you want to do now. Oh, that's I don't get that coffee.
Jonah! Uloma, what are you doing in my compound? Huh? Or have you come to agree to my proposal?
The has agreed with your proposal. You will see the mistress your son has sent you.
Donatus, my son. Oh, you saw him in your dream.
Open this bag.
Uloma, did you steal? Did you steal? Please, 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 take this thing away from my house. Not at this age, I will die there. Uloma, take this.
With due respect, sir, it's all yours. My name is Chima. I just I am late Ugoma's grandson. These things to give to you, and he also gave me this envelope.
Yes, I am alive, and better by that. I'm giving you 200,000 naira. Hi! Do not to sungam. Hi! Do not to sungam. Imeno! Chinaka biamae! Imena! Imena! Hi! Do not to sungam. Uloma, sing me that your song again.
Chimnyere mobio mae mbewe yo lilanya o chimnyere mobio mae chimnyere mo lilanya mbewe yo lilanya o chimnyere mobio mae ezi Jehovah e onyere mobio my son bought me this car. Yes. Chima, lenum le moto. Chima le kwamo le moto.
Well, we thank God for everything. This young man here, apart from being your driver, is equally a building contractor. Sly will be sending in some money in the next 2 days. He wants us to build a mansion for him right here in the village. And he has asked us to supervise the project for him.
God, how can I thank you for this? Eh? The stone that was rejected is now the head cornerstone. Hey.
Meanwhile, he'll be staying here. Sly wants him to make use of his room in the meantime. Let me rush down to Don's house so that I can give Don's father his own car.
This one?
Yes.
Hey. You mean Donatus bought this car for Jonah?
Of course.
Ewo. So now, I will be carrying the car. Yes. At last.
Before I forget, Sly and Don will be leaving for abroad very soon again. And they want their houses completed before they come back from their journey.
Okay. You don't need to worry. Eh? I will write a letter and give you before you leave tomorrow.
Okay, you have to do that very early because I'll be leaving for the city very, very early in the morning.
No problem now. Now that I have a car, I'll wake up early.
Yes. Before I forget again. Your car key.
This one. Yes. Key. Yes. Now. My car key. Thank you. Thank you very much. My son, you're welcome. Okay, let's go in.
You, Ichimode, if you know you are going to sleep again today, make sure you do not snore. Huh?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. If my action was understood to mean I was sleeping, I won't do it again.
You are right. You, Ichijona, you say you have something to tell us today?
Yes, Your Highness. That car parked over there is my car.
It
was bought for me by my son some few days ago.
That's it. And I asked you to carry me in it, you refused?
Yes, Your Highness. It is my personal car. And I also formally want to let you know that I am resigning as the secretary to this community. Yes, because I will be so busy at the site where my son is building a mansion.
Iche Jonah, what is the meaning of this?
Amadi, will you keep quiet and sit down? Oh, or do you want me to throw you into cell? Sit down, I said. And I also want to be conferred with the title of Nze. Nze, Okome, one of this community.
That's very good. Sit down. Number one, you refuse to carry me in your car. Number two, you are returning my books to me. Dear Jonah, I will not make you an Nze.
Igwe Yefim. The council has not deliberated on this, and that is the custom of this council.
No more deliberations. No debates. You hear me? Now leave those books there and go. I'm not a small toy.
Igwe, this is 50,000 naira.
Jonah, consider it done.
Igwe,
when do you want the chieftaincy title to be conferred on you? Now?
Igwe, I will let you know when I am ready.
Igwe. But the title is not for sale, and is not for the highest bidder.
If you say one more word there, I will ban you from entering this palace. Who is the custodian of titles here? You or me? You or me?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Thank you. Jonah,
Igwe.
send me word to your family, huh?
Alright, Igwe.
Whatever, let me know.
Alright, Igwe. Igwe Yefebu.
As you can see my daughter here, I gave her the best training a mother can give to her daughter. And there's no girl in this village that's as respectful as Chika, my daughter. Very hardworking. My Chika, what do you want me to do for her? Mama, you know that your son will soon be coming back from, and he will need a wife. And Chika, my daughter here. Eliza, leave my house. So you have forgotten so soon. I told you that he who laughs last, laughs best. My son will marry a township girl, not a local breed like your daughter. Leave!
Mama, are you still sitting down there? Let's leave now.
Go and marry a prostitute. Ọkụkọ Igbo ịchọrọ ịlụ onye ala bekee.
Honestly, you guys are really impressive. So, how are you enjoying the music in that world?
Oh, like was everything at his break and core.
Oh yeah, you guys are sounding big.
Big. You're really big G's. Yes. Come on, ladies. You don't just invite us to lunch or dinner without having something in the offing. So, any news?
You guys baffles me sometimes. Next weekend, they're traveling. And guess what? This time around, the merchandise is quite big.
Okay. What are you saying about our request for the implement in our new year?
Oh, come on. After this trip, right? Come on, relax, baby. You're so much in a hurry. What's that?
Oh man.
Good, I understand, but just relax.
Yes.
And what my brother? Welcome once again.
Thank you so much.
This way.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who is this girl? Is she your new wife?
No, she's my first daughter, Nkechi.
Yes. That is true. Yes, Nkechi, your first daughter. Oh, that is true. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good.
Jonah, my friend, it is no longer a secret to you that I never supported the wicked banishment of your son from this village. I even made sacrifices to the gods to guide him while he's away. Because he was friendly with my daughter Nkechi. And I'm sure that my sacrifices to the gods contributed a lot to his successes today.
Mr. Wade, come straight to the point. If you want some money to pay for her school fees, I will give it to you. Because you are not the first person for such a thing.
No, my friend. I came for a different thing. In fact, our dad did marry for us when we were matured enough for marriage. And we owe our children that duty too.
As you can see, my son is banished from Obinago for the next 6 years.
And that is the more reason why you should marry for him and send her to him. After all, he's matured enough for marriage.
Yeah, and even have enough to run a family. But the fact is that I don't have anybody in mind for now.
Yes, I know. Nkechi, my daughter, here. Look for him. After all,
It's only brought for my son to marry because he's banished from here. It's even good to do my dream. Can you imagine that?
Man, don't know. Man, this drug business of a thing is getting on my nerves so. But I thank God this time around we dispose all the merchandise. And this sneaking and hiding, I'm tired.
God, nah, Madam Spumi are not making this easy for us at all. I mean, reality here in Europe is always far from the best for us in Nigeria.
That's no reason why you should damn all the consequences and pay cash. After that to relocate to US.
Bros, those women are deadly. They are very, very dangerous. In fact, they will trace us and kill us.
Forget that. We must change base. We leave no traces of them finding us.
You're right. Hey. Come, Sly. How do we reply all the letters that have been coming from the village?
Letters? Did you see any subtitles to any of the letters? Some kids writing us love letters, parents begging us to help them, and others begging for us to marry their daughters. Come on, we'll reply those ones that came from the elders. We'll write to them as a council.
You know what will happen? I think we need to sleep over this. Because I don't want us to make any mistake that we will regret in the future. Do you understand me?
Alright. But the best thing we'll do for ourselves is to relocate. That's all.
Boy, we can go pick my white.
I don't do go. Not allow police to control you.
Wait.
Anyway, I will control you from here.
No, we can't do this.
Okay.
Left or right? What I will do yourself?
The letters we have received so far are numerous and from diverse sources. While we would not want to reply them individually, especially those bordering on material and monetary demands, we feel it is respectful to reply that of some members of this council to you as a body. Thank you for your good wishes, and God bless you for your prayers for us. However, meeting your demands would not be easy for us in our present status as persona non grata in Obinago. Perhaps when we come back in 6 years' time, yours faithfully, Donatus and Silvanus.
Donatus and Silvanus, the fugitives. Hey, who among you that wrote them?
This is a disgrace to this Igwe. Why should people write a letter to the people we banished in this community for an assistance?
This is a coup against my authority. I will bite and burn fingers. This is a coup against my authority. Shame. I mean, shame.
But Igwe, you took money from Jonah the other time.
knowing fully well that the money came from his son Donatus.
Is that why you should go and write a letter to those we banished? Come, it's your money. Are you not afraid of my wrath?
I did not write him. You may ask others.
Ask others?
Yes. Who? Yes.
Ask who? Who and others? Who and who do you want to ask? Who do you say you should ask?
Hey,
who wrote that?
I am in my palace. Yes, young man. What are you here for?
Igwe Ndiche, I greet you. The youth of Obinago sent me to you.
Oh. I see. Go ahead. The youth, eh?
Igwe, Donatus and Silvanus have done enough. They are erecting 2 mighty buildings in Obinago, which removes the shame of being the only community without a story building from us. Other communities are enjoying their scholarship scheme, while we, their mother town, are enjoying nothing.
The youths, eh?
Yes.
Do you want them to return? I mean, Donatus and Silvanus.
Yes, Igwe.
Then go and tell the youths that I, Igwe Yefegu Kembo of Obinago, say that they can now return.
This is an abomination. They will not return until they finish their exile period. Oh yes, and anybody from Obinago who is having any dealings with them or any contact with them is a big taboo.
I think you're right. They should not, in fact, they should never return. Yes. They are evil.
Hello. Ichi. Ichi Urago.
Yes.
But I helped you write them last month.
To do what?
Begging them to marry your 2 daughters.
Nation. You saw me asking.
Quiet, let me think.
Money get power. Money get power. Everybody come see tribals don't rise. Money get power. Money get power. Money get power. Everybody come see tribals.
Go. Nkechi, I heard that your father has been lobbying for Sly to marry you.
Point of correction, Sly is already my husband.
Look at this Dikeh. Eh? Who told you that Sly will come back and use you among all the people in the village? Listen, I'm his wife already. Eh? Can't you see?
In case you don't know, my father and his mother has already agreed. It is me, Nkechi, he will marry, and not you, local champion.
Come. This is a local champion.
Nkechi, me!
Nkechi, me, local champion. Yes. You cannot control the book. You are. I'm a local champion. You're a local champion. Go and marry. Wait. Getting for all of you. Then you will not get. Me and you.
I think we made a big mistake leaving Germany for USA. After we decided to take our last day's money all alone. Man, bros, this place is fucking expensive. And very difficult a place to survive.
No, see. If we had not relocated as we did, the ladies would have found us and kill us. So we have to do something to rise up to the challenge. We cannot exhaust all our money without finding something to do.
But you know we don't have resident and work permit. And the 6 months visa we entered USA with wasn't expire. Bros, if we get deported, we're in a fuck up.
God forbid.
Big fuck up.
God forbid. Oh. See, the letters we are getting from our parents indicate that we are the people's hope. A lot is expected from us when we return. We cannot fail them.
You're right. But how do we proceed?
See, we are hustlers. And you know hustlers don't slack. We have to start going to nightclubs. At least from there we'll meet a hustler like us that can lick us up.
Yes, we just made a point too. Man, tonight we'll go to nightclub.
That's the best idea.
I mean it. We'll go to the club tonight, okay? I mean, we don't have to slack, we don't have to waste any goddamn time. No one can need to go model at all.
Mana? Hello, again. That's alright. No, I attack until on your own feet. Yotago, Dallas. Adakam one. Okay, on intact. But that's the most important thing. Now one good out. All right, now no shaking. I'll catch you up in the club later, man. Thanks, man. Later. Bye.
My God, this is an opportunity. This must be in Nigeria. He's a woman. He's a hustler like us. You can talk with him. Excuse me, guys. We overheard you speaking Igbo. In fact, we are equally like you. Now one day, I have one day you.
What if Bombo Clark? You don't understand what you're talking about more.
We are just here now. We overheard you speaking Igbo. We don't get honor. Don't rush us like this now. I want to go work.
Me you come from Nigeria, me come from Jamaica.
Nah, bros, I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, your brothers. I know here, Sissy. In our people, I know Jamaica. What happened here, Bombo Clark?
No one we be like you. No, there's no Adaka and the in English word. To God, no one never one now.
Hey, man, hey, man, you know this is America, man. You're acting like that, man. So what's up, guys? Big old roach up of Loco, man. Shit. You know, man, I'm getting security conscious. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is America, man. Don't just disclose your identity, man. Yeah. So what's up?
We are cool. We just came into town newly. Just arrived.
You just came into town?
Yeah.
That's cool. You know, this town somehow, man, you gotta watch it. You gotta use your brain all the time. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, we're hustlers like you. I mean, if there's any way we can help us, you help us. So.
Can you also?
Chineke. Nah, man. We're hustlers, pure hustlers. I mean, we're ready to do anything, okay? Nah, give me anything. One day, you
all right. You ain't got no problem, man. With me, you ain't got no problem. So, this is America, man. If you got your bread, you gotta make some money. Huh?
All right.
You got your phone there?
Yeah.
You take my number. All right. You check these numbers and then. Yeah, man. I've been out of there for like 2 fucking years, man. Shit. I can't wait to get back home, man. Damn. Man, damn, I miss my country, man. No place like home, you know what I'm saying? Nigeria is sweet, man. You make some money and you go back there and enjoy your country, man. You gotta enjoy your money here.
Man, I'm Sly. He's Don. He's my brother.
Don and Sly.
Yeah.
That's all right.
So what's your name?
No problem. I will tell you. I gotta get out of here now. I got some runs to catch up with, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no cigarettes without giving you something, man.
Nah, cold.
They call me Robert, man. Robert.
Oh, Robert.
Sure. You got you guys later, man. Hey, my Nigerian boys, man.
Nah, look at you. This place is somewhere. Look at this guy. You would die. Now I change it. Change it immediately. Hey! Adaka come no, I had one. No, they come. You better learn how to speak Jamaican immediately.
I got from Jamaica. I got no Nigeria.
The only thing you can do to survive here and make quick money is drug peddling.
That's no big deal. I mean, the only problem is just that our visa will soon expire and we have no prospect of renewing it. As it is, man, we'll become illegal immigrants and that will limit our movement greatly.
That's no problem at all. You know, if you're sharp, you can get even residence permit here.
How?
Right, like the ladies I want to introduce you guys to. They can get you that fast. But on one condition though.
Condition?
Yeah.
What's the condition?
That you guys will groove in there from time to time. You know what I mean?
That's interesting.
You know how it is.
Are you going to be their loved ones?
Nah. It's sex mates. That's more like it.
Oh, if that's the only way out, I mean, we're in for it. That's no big deal.
All right, you're in for a deal then. In that case, I'm going to invite them over later tonight. And you guys check them out.
All right.
How about that?
Oh, okay, no problem.
All right, cool then. So, I'm going to bring them down tonight, okay?
No problem.
But let me say this again.
All right.
You got to use your number seals all the time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Good. Way back in Nigeria, we used to see, this is Yankee. Any fuck up, Yawa.
No, Yawa.
Is that what I mean?
Oh, okay.
All right, I got over your mind.
Yeah.
All right.
Nah, no, try to get my thing on.
No, man, I don't want no mind now, man. Shit. I got to be on my women there. You know what I mean?
This is Yankee. You already, if you want to get anything married, you know what I mean?
That's no problem, but you see, this time we'll survive. Anyhow, we'll take care of it, man. She's taking me. This is not right. Nah, man. You see, this town, I will survive. Anyway, anyhow.
So, ladies, like you, all well know, I like to go straight to the point when it gets to do with business. So, these are my men, Dawn and Sly. And the guys, Molly and Beetle.
How do it?
Ladies, you're welcome. Oh, ladies, it's a humble pleasure to meet with you. Robert has told us much about you. I think we're interested in doing business with you, okay?
Yeah. Robert has also told us about you. But unfortunately, I doubted if you would be capable of handling the bedroom side of the deal. At least from what I can see.
Who said Miss Money?
We did. We said.
I'm afraid, ladies, you girls are actually overassuming things.
We're not assuming anything, Mr. Roberts. We need guys energetic to perform. You know what I mean? See you when you get the right guy.
Ah, come on, baby, sit down. Come on, it's not what you think. Sit down.
Sit down.
Come on, look at us. We've got yourself another guy, but that guy's you know. Size doesn't do it. Energy does. We got the energy in surplus.
Yeah, and try to convince you. Just 2 hours with us in our bedrooms. And you wish you had met us earlier. 2
hours?
Yes, of course, 2 hours.
Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me.
No, we're not kidding you, man.
Can you go that far?
Yes. Magari Barantashi. Maybe you don't know that. Man,
Of course you don't know that.
We got the upper hand.
You can say that again, guy, man. Shit. You know something, man? You guys are here, and the bedroom is over there. So why don't you just walk across and then flog it out, man? Shit.
No, don't worry. Follow me. Baby. Follow me.
I'm not gonna sit down here and watch. I'm gonna sit down in there and watch you guys.
Yeah, you're gonna play yourself.
Follow me. I wanna watch this action, man. You know what I mean?
You gotta do that.
Damn it, man. Shit. African group, man. Shit.
Now, one day, those ladies are cheating on us. I mean, we do the most risky part of the drug business. Want their best for free, and all we get is just 10% of the proceeds. Yeah,
Plus the protection I give to you. Don't forget that. So, what do you intend to do?
I mean, I suggest they increase our own shares of the deal, or we'll quit.
Man, quitting is out of it. You know what I mean? Shit. Those guys ain't gonna let you survive 10 minutes. In this town, if you try with it, man, shit.
What do you mean? You mean you can't even negotiate a better deal with them?
And at this condition, no way. Except you want to take the other side of the deal, you know what I mean?
How do you mean?
Now, I'll tell you something, man. Those ladies are damn rich. Damn fucking rich. And then if you marry them, every goddamn thing becomes yours, man, shit.
Marry them? We're interested, one day. But how are we going to make them marry us?
That's small, man. As I'm talking to you now, man, those ladies are tripped about you. You know that marketing production stuff, man? They don't walk like magic, man. Those ladies are tripped, man.
Are you serious?
If you tell them you want to marry them, they're going to jump at it, man.
That's African groove, man.
African groove, man, shit.
Bro, see, one thing, but you know, we're somehow nervous. How can we tell them that we want to marry them?
Man, you don't have to be, man. Damn. I can't even nervous. Just take a bold step, man. And if you need the professional advice, man, you tell me. I'm going to do that for you, man. Shit.
I think that's the best thing we'll do.
I think.
I got to get out of here, man. I got some groups to catch up with. You guys didn't give me no money, man. Shit. I got some groups to catch up. I'll catch you guys later, man. Shit. You didn't give me no money, man. Shit.
Honestly, Don, I must confess that you're more than any man I have made love to all my life. Oh my God. Yes, and I cherish every single moment I spend in bed with you.
Maybe I'm flattered. I mean, you aren't doing badly.
Oh, thank you. I'm very happy to hear that from you, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, but you know, your superb performance makes me sometimes feel that I'm failing you.
Oh, come on, baby. You're not failing me. Okay? See, baby, I'm thinking of taking this relationship to extra mile.
How?
Baby, I love you.
I love you too.
Oh my God. Baby, will you marry me?
What?
Will you marry me?
Oh my God. Are you serious?
Yes, of course.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, I'll marry you. Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'll marry you. Oh my God. Yes, I'll marry you.
Oh, thank you, baby. No, I'll make you proud, okay?
I know you will.
I will. That's my girl.
Yeah, hello. Oh, hello. Hi. Yeah. Guess what? Oh my gosh. Congratulations. What? All right then. Okay. All right, I guess I'm happy too. I am. All right then. Okay, you take care now, all right? Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. All right, bye. Guess what?
What is that?
Sly just proposed to Willie and she accepted.
Jesus Christ.
Isn't that a wonderful coincidence?
But wonderful one, man.
Oh my God.
Don't worry. Oh, Willow, don't bother yourself, Willow. Molly? Oh, it's alright. Of course, go to Nigeria. Nigeria is a beautiful place. Yes, don't worry. We'll do that, okay? Don't just bother. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Oh, wait. These ladies are talking about going to Nigeria with us after the wedding. How are we going to tap the loose ends? I mean, me and Fumi.
I think we take the option that Robert suggested to us the last time. You know, it is not only Molly and Willow that are insisting on following us to Nigeria after the wedding. The Home Office is equally saying that they will only grant us full citizenship if we go and return with them.
Well, fine. You think Bumi and Fumi will accept the explanation just like that and forget their money?
But I'm not too bothered about that. The only thing that worries me is the home side of it, since the banishment is still in effect.
Man, I think the best thing to do is to take them to one village, pay somebody to pose as our parents. That's all.
What? That settles it.
That's the thing we'll do now.
I mean, what are we waiting for since the wedding is this weekend? Well, let's start at work. I mean, let's get at work.
That's my little girl's drink.
I think the best thing I should do next is to call Rob. Call Rob so that he come over and do other things for us. Okay. Can you remind me the two numbers, the two last numbers? Is it 5, 6 or 5? 5, 5. Oh boy. Ha! Let me get some. Robito! Yeah, juice up. Nah, you got a one, I got better. One official told us in secret that a fellow Nigerian gave us away to them even before we left Nigeria. He didn't tell us who anyway, and up to now, we don't know who. They seized the entire consignment and detained us in a maximum security prison. Accompanying this letter is our pictures while in prison.
Love shined on us last month when a lawyer from Amnesty International visited the prison. He saw us and took interest in our plight. In fact, he took our case to the authorities, believing our story that we were victims of child trafficking used as human drug containers by those who bought us. He finally secured our freedom last week and took us to America.
At the moment, we are living with 2 of their female officials and they are planning to bring us to Nigeria very soon to reconcile us to our families. We are sorry for your losses and please bear with us. Honestly, we are the worst for it. We will see you when we return to Nigeria.
Yours faithfully, Donna Sly.
Fumi, what do you think? Baby, they deserve pity. I think so too. Now, what do we do with Chima, their friend? And their cars, houses we confiscated?
I think we release those things. I will compensate Chima adequately. It will be wicked of us if we still keep all those things after all they told us in this letter. That's what I think.
Oh my God. Okay. If you look at it, you know, these guys worked good money for us.
Exactly.
Rather than sit here and concentrate on our losses, let's do just what you said. Compensate them.
I think so, baby.
Igwe, there's something I want to tell you.
Go ahead.
Igwe, I have been very, very worried.
About what?
Igwe, you know, in this community of ours, Obinaru, we don't have wealthy men. But Igwe, how come the only 2 rich men we have here in this community, we are allowing to waste in exile just because of tradition? Igwe, I don't know if you know isi nwoke ọkakwara aka o.
Thank you very much. Ichemodi, thank you very much. Do you know why I respect you? Your brains are very hot. I never thought about this, you know. Never thought about it at all. But what do I do?
Igwe, you are the Igwe of this community. Use your power as the Igwe to unbanish them. Quite simple. Igwe, think about it. I'm going.
There is no point thinking about that. The way you said it is exactly the way it is. Sit down. Hey. I thank God that you are here. You know something?
What is it, Igwe?
I am going to unbanish Silvanus and Donatus.
What for?
Chalo. They are the only 2 rich people we have in this community. So we can't afford to let them remain in exile for life. Now think about it. If they had been within us, among us here, in this community, they would have cost us this money that government is asking us for as a condition to give us pipe-borne water. No, think about it.
Igwe, this is abomination. An abomination. Look, don't you ever think of banishing them? Oh yes. Because if you do that, it will bring a terrible calamity in this our community. Oh yes.
Calamity?
Hey. Terrible one.
I will not think of it anymore. Chineke. In fact, let them remain where they are. Hey, do you know why I respect you? Your brains are very sound. Hey. Now, about the other issue. About levies.
Yeah.
How far have you gone?
In fact, the community is corporate. They are really responding. Yes.
This honeymoon will never end. I have really had the most wonderful moment of my life.
And me too. Sly has been wonderful ever since we wedded.
Let's make it. Yes. You know, we need to start shopping to prepare ourselves against our traveling to Africa, Nigeria. Okay.
And also complete the process of changing our accounts into family accounts.
I think that would take time. We already notified them before we left for Italy. All they need is our signatures.
Oh, okay. By then, we would be in Africa by then before we can.
Oh, really?
Like that, yeah.
I cannot wait to see all the gorillas, elephants.
No.
Willow, can you?
No, my dear. Africa, here I come.
Okay. So my girl, I'm gonna take you around Africa. I'm gonna take you around Nigeria, and I'll show you the food.
Hey, what's that doing?
Yeah. Whenever I'm ready, I'll just fish her.
Okay, let me stay this way.
That's my girl.
As the eldest member of my cabinet, I've called you to inform you that Silvanus and Donatus will be returning to Binago very soon, and I have approved it.
Igwe, we have to consult the oracle to see if there is any sacrifice we have to make to the gods before their return, since the 7 years has not elapsed. I'm saying this because of your welfare and our own.
Listen to me, Chodago. I am the Igwe Yefe one of Ubinago. The oracle, the ancestors, and the gods that you see.
Arrow, an abomination.
Will you shut up there? I banished them. I have unbanished them. And I can even banish you now.
Igwe, thank you very much. I think I have to be going.
All right. Good for you.
But Igwe, you only met her. You will share. Igwe.
Is it true that your son Silvanus traveled abroad?
Yes, Your Highness. Since more than 6 months ago. Is anything the matter?
No, my dear, nothing. Adeze.
No.
Come, my daughter. Oloma, you know my daughter here, Adeze.
Yes.
She is your daughter-in-law.
I don't understand, Your Highness.
You know that very soon your son will come back from abroad.
Igwe, Thank you very much. But Your Highness, there are some customary rites that have to be performed for that to be possible.
Oh, don't bother yourself about that. See, all I'm saying is that as soon as your son returns from abroad, he needs to marry. And that days a year has been prepared for him.
Your Highness, it's for them to decide, not you and I.
Oh, I saw them decide already in my dream. So my advice now is that you take Adeze away immediately and teach her all the things you want her to learn and know as her daughter-in-law. Mold her. Eh? Your Highness, let me go first. When my son comes back, he will choose a wife for himself. No, listen, hold on.
There is trouble. In fact, they are divided into two. You don't know.
There is no trouble, my dear. It is because of the new autonomous community that the government wants to give us.
Autonomous daily.
Huh? Look, let me tell you. In fact, I heard the Igwe himself, he is planning to unbanish
Donatus and Silvanus because they have made money.
God forbid. That is sacrilege. An abomination.
Abomination. Look, it's like you don't know. Look, let me tell you, come and tell you. See, let me tell you, the Igwe himself, he doesn't even want to hear that though. He is even planning to marry his daughter off to one of them.
Look, Mamobi, don't say what will bring the anger of the gods upon you. Please go home. Let me go and sleep.
I've not finished now. Go.
My people, I thank you for this great honor you've given to us. On behalf of myself and my sweet, lovely wife here, I declare free medical care to everybody.
In addition to that, on behalf of myself and my beautiful wife here, I declare free education for all.
Now, listen to me. Now, we shall all move down to the Igwe's palace and give honor to whom honor is due. Let's go to the Igwe's palace.